This is the VBMA Series from Lagun Engineering. A vertical bed mill built for shops that need space and accuracy. The open frame design makes loading big or odd parts simple. The NST-40 spindle and 5 horsepower motor give you smooth cutting power. The 62 by 19.68 table sits on a rigid, stress-relieved casting. All 3 axes run on hardened and ground double nut ball screws with dovetail and box way support. Turcite B keeps everything moving smooth. Steel way covers protect the Y and Z. Servo motors deliver strong, controlled motion. Accuracy is tight. Positioning and repeatability stay consistent day after day. The Fanuc Oi MF control keeps operation easy and familiar. An extensive list of parts and accessories are available. The VBMA Series. Built to work, built to last, built for you. Visit lagun.com to learn more.